I was doing my usual Shopify research this morning and I stumbled upon a wallet brand that's pretty small, but they're seeing explosive results. They're getting a lot of traffic right now and stealing market share from AirTag brands. So I want to dive deep into this and just sort of show you the rabbit hole that I went on and hopefully make it extremely valuable for you to the point where you could launch a business in this category. And I'll show you exactly how. It's exactly what I'm doing with my team and clients to launch Shopify stores that convert very highly with very small budgets. I'll just get right into it. Anyways, the store is called Forge, and I found this product that they just started advertising, which is an Apple Find My card, right, that you can put in your wallet. So as opposed to the little circular AirTags that you can buy from Apple, let me show you how these kind of look like. They look like this, and they're $30. People are starting to sell these key cards that do the same thing as an Apple AirTag, but in the form of a card. And it's actually pretty brilliant because it fits seamlessly into your wallet. You know, wallets right now, we use a lot of cards, maybe not in the future, but right now we do. And because of that, I think this is actually a brilliant product. Now, first things first, you can see they're selling this for $47. So it's by no means like super cheap, but if it can save you from losing your wallet, it is 100% worth it. And that's what I like about this product actually, is that there's so many good angles for it. Like imagine all the angles that you can use with, you know, your possessions, right? Imagine losing your identity. Like how much is that worth? These are things that I would be targeting with static ads and video ads in this category. And as you see, they got a very simple setup. So buy two, get one free, buy three, get two free. Pretty simple offer, honestly. And this is kind of the best thing that you can do these days to launch your business, is just create a banger offer like this that pushes people to buy now. So if we take a look at some of their other products real quick, you know, they got a lot of things. They're just continuously upgrading their product catalog with new things and, you know, making branded products. So they likely have a good supply chain relationship where they can create branded products pretty quickly and easily. I don't know. I don't know the brand. If you guys are, you know, if the brand owners out there are watching this for some reason, then, you know, let's connect and maybe you can tell me more, but that's my guess. And lastly, I want to show you, you know, their traffic distribution. They're getting 140,000 visitors in December. Makes sense. This is a very giftable product. And yeah, you can see it just completely exploded. I mean, this is like an explosion of traffic, and it's primarily from the US, but they do get some UK traffic in there as well. If you ask me, I prefer to go US only these days. I think the US is the best country to sell in, and it's my market. I live in the US, so I understand it very well, and it's what I like to focus on. However, if you're in a different market, don't be afraid of testing these ideas and just dialing in on your market. Basically, my point with that is that I do believe right now it's a good idea to just focus in on one market and then expand into others. Now, quickly, this is the ad that I actually found, right? So I was using the Shopilab Discovery tab. Shopilab is soon to be the largest Shopify resource platform. And one of the features that we have on there is this Discovery tab, which basically just shows you all the latest ads that are being launched in real time. So like, you know, if you just wait 5 minutes and refresh this, it'll show you a whole new batch of ads. So these are all the ads people are launching on Meta. It's a pretty cool feature, nothing too crazy, but it's very fun for discovery. And I will say, if you do want to join this, you can literally join for free. And we have a lot of free features, especially the one that you should use right now is the Shopilab sourcing feature, because if you go here for free and you click on Team Drop, you'll be able to source a lot of products in this category, including some products that I've actually never seen before in this category, such as this wallet card holder that is orange and fits with MagSafe compatibility to your orange iPhone. If you guys don't know, the orange iPhone has been just like one of the craziest trends ever. It's so shocking to me and interesting how just a simple color addition was able to capture the world's attention, and that's exactly what happened with the orange iPhone. I never expected something like that. As you see, you can also find other trackers and things of that nature on here, and you can source even more products by talking to the WhatsApp team, source custom products, get things branded. It's a free sourcing agent platform. I mean, it's amazing. So we are very proud to partner with them through our Shopilab platform. Again, this is all free, so you don't have to pay for anything, and lastly, you should use our free store builder as well, because this template is converting. It's literally, it's simple and pretty close to what this looks like, but it converts at like 5 to 6%. It's amazing. But if we take a look at actually all the ads that they run in the US, it's really not that many. I would have expected it to be a lot more based on their traffic, which goes to show just how, different strategies can work, right? A lot of people tell you when you're looking into running ads or scaling your brand that the more ads, the better. It's like quantity is key when it comes to meta ads. And I do actually agree to a large extent. But at the same time, I've had experiences with my own stores, like the demo store that I run inside Shopify Lab. It's a store that I built from scratch. It's a pretty cool brand. And, I'm not really testing that many ads in there, to be quite honest. I'm just a little bit lazy. And it's also just been working very, very well. So I just continue to increase the budgets, and that's about it. Now, generally for my agency with clients that are spending a lot of money, they do launch a ton of ads like almost every single day. So it's not to say that there's one answer to this. Testing more ads definitely is a good idea because you get more data. But at the same time, if you're getting good results, testing more ads is not necessarily what's going to scale your business, as seen by this brand in particular. And from my experience too, and other stores that I've seen that have scaled ads really significantly, really fast. I've actually had a store before that scaled to 40K per day in a matter of weeks, and it was all from one ad, believe it or not. I know it sounds crazy, but it happened. Now, let's just take a look at one of these ads. Actually, I want to see their longest running ad, which was from November 23rd. So let's take a look at this. So I already regret getting your wallet. Let's see.
Your wallet.
Why? What's going on?
I'm currently making an advent calendar for my boyfriend, and I got him the smart wallet from Forge.
That's great. He'll be really happy.
No, the problem is he already saw it when I was packing it up and gets on my nerves every day now because he wants it immediately.
Okay, of course that was stupid, but we specifically said beforehand that men are crazy about this wallet.
Yeah, that's right, but I really can't stand the nagging anymore.
We're really sorry, but as a little compensation, we've made a 50% off sale.
Oh, seriously? I'm going to go...
That's a good ad, actually. This is like classic organic drop shipping style of content right here, and I actually like that. It blends very well with these other statics that they're making that are really high quality and kind of look like Ridge Wallet ads. Ridge Wallet is probably the biggest wallet company on Shopify that sells these kind of like modular wallets. I actually have one of these that I ordered on AliExpress like years ago, and I was thinking of starting a brand for it, but I never did. Yeah, some of these wallets are really, really nice that you can get and that are really unique. So that was a great ad. Super simple. Definitely has that organic feel. So I'm guessing they actually launched that ad organically on their page. And that's a good thing to note because some of you guys don't have money to launch ads. And that's exactly what you need to be doing is, finding a product, making viral content with it with that same structure that you just saw, and posting it on your social media feeds on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube Shorts, and even on Facebook Reels. That's what you got to do if you don't got money for ads. But then, of course, what you can do is once you build up some capital, then you can start using that capital to run ads. I prefer ads. It's a lot more of a passive, income flow for your business, especially on Meta. But, I totally understand that some people don't have, like $200 or $500 to test products and launch products. So I get that. Now, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, to be honest. I don't really want to overdraw it here, but again, just to reiterate, super cool brand. They're testing this product independently outside of the wallets too now. So they literally just launched this ad about don't leave your gear to chance with our buy two, get one free launch offer. You can secure every essential you carry. Slide one 1.8 millimeter Forge card into your wallet, one in your passport, and one in your gear bag. This is really, really solid ad copy because it forces people to want to buy the buy two, get one free. All three stay on the map globally via the Apple Find My network with zero extra bulk. I love that. This is super brilliant. And then again, the Shop Now button goes straight to the Forge tracking card, which is $47, but most people are probably going to buy the buy two, get one free because it's such a good deal and it's a great offer. And yeah, like I said before, like the landing pages are super simple here. I mean, they got some good UGC here. It looks nice. It looks to be from like, pretty much the same person, but it does look very nice. So yeah, shout out to these guys. I hope they continue to scale. If I had to say some things to continue scaling is, yeah, probably keep bumping your budgets, keep testing more ads, and continue to pump out a ton of content and build up an affiliate army. I think building an affiliate army with the organic content that they're posting is a good idea because they've probably already gone viral organically, so they can easily teach other organic affiliates to do it for them. And that's a great idea, right? It's kind of free to do, and then you're going to get a lot of ads that you can launch too, not just organic traffic. And then again, use the ShopiLab sourcing platform here. So just go to shopilab.ai, make a free account. You can just use your Google account and then click on ShopiLab sourcing, click on Team Drop, and boom, you're going to have Team Drop with extra support here on WhatsApp because you came from our community. And then of course, if you want to build a store to import products to, that converts very highly, so you don't have to guess if like your store, if you're using the right theme or whatever, just go to shopilab.ai/en/AI store builder, just like you see right here. I'll leave a link in the description. You can also change the language, by the way, if you wanted to. You can do Dutch, you can do, all kinds of languages, but use it for your store. This is exactly the theme I'm using to launch stores in 2026. Yeah, we're just scaling our store operations like crazy right now. And this is exactly what I'm using. So I want to provide it to you for free in the hopes that you'll see a lot of success. And in the future, join our accelerator community where we can partner with you to build more stores. That's about it for this one. Peace out.